So this is day one, Project Mom. So this is my mom. We just picked her up less than an hour ago, and we're in the car already, tapping on the body, starting off with the legs. How does it feel right now?
It still hurts.
This hurts.
Yeah.
So, and we're talking about a Chinese saying. What's the Chinese saying? Because it's really good. If your blood goes through,
It won't hurt.
if your blood is circulating,
Yeah.
it won't hurt. If your blood is blocked, it hurts.
Hurt.
So this is our official day one. And this is where she's at. My mom is 75. I don't remember the last time. I don't think she remembers the last time she walked without shoes. In the house, or anywhere. Period. She literally sleeps with shoes. And so we just took a shower. And I explained to her about the power of our feet and hands. And how if we want to be strong, we need to train those just as well as everything else. And right now, we are training stairs. Literally one step at a time. Something she said last night. Either you can be pain, if you're in pain, then you will get stronger. Because the act of feeling the body when it's painful, training the body, allows you to be strong. And now it's the work time. And we don't know exactly what's going to happen in the future. But I can assure you what we will do though, is every day we will train. She promised that she's going to show up, do the best that she can, and I promise that I'm going to be here every step. Just have to remember, our bodies are very adaptive, and it will get stronger. And sometimes it looks like it's going to take forever to get stronger. However, you want to go to the couch or to the table?
I think maybe couch.
Couch, okay. So, it's important to learn how much is too much versus how much is too little. Whatever shape that you're in, the approach is always the same. Give your body what it can handle. Don't go to the maximum, but don't stay at the minimum. If you were to look at a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the maximum, and 10 and 1 being the minimum, you're aiming for a 7 max. And a 7 max is on days that you're feeling strong. This is a principle called effort max 70, and we practice in flow 60. Now on days that you feel weak, you're not capable, you're not at your maximum capacity, you may go to a 5. And that's perfectly fine. And that 5, the way that you gauge that is in your energy output, is in your emotional level. Because training the body is equally physical and emotional. we are challenging the body physically. We're challenging our mind and our emotions as well. So you want to look for that maximum of 70% on all three of those. Sometimes you'll hit 70% on your emotional side, but your physical side, you're still at a 4. But it feels so difficult, even though you can do it, but it feels so difficult emotionally and mentally.
I need to find my account.
Are you trying to open the purse?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so we just took a shower and we took stairs for first time in a long time, and barefoot in a very long time. When was the last time you were barefoot walking around?
Never. Long time ago, I was.
You just said never.
Yes.
How long? How many years do you think it's been?
I don't know. I don't remember how long. Maya, can you get over? I cannot. Oh, it's guys. I put it around the. Carry on. I remember carry on. I got it. I can comb my hair. I think maybe over there. Carry on.
Okay.
Yeah, I think.
The carry-on's right here.
Oh, maybe the like.
So maybe the comb is in there.
Yeah.
Not us. This is a rental house, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think maybe I could put a. Oh, I don't quite remember. Oh, I have was. Maybe that day I want to find it one.
Okay. All right. Good job on the first stairs. In barefoot. I will strengthen the feet. Get this here now. Okay.
A bicycle, yo. You gotta ride bicycle. Let's do it. Get your toothbrush. Toothpaste. Brush your teeth. Wait a minute. You are fit.
So just remember that. Mentally, emotionally, or physically, find that 70%. That's the maximum. You don't have to go to the max every day. You can go less. But you have to find a way to train every day.